Kaya naman, may special guest ako sa vlog natin ngayon.
Oh, God.
Napakamahiyain ito at talagang mas hiling niya na behind the scenes lamang. But her work has been a testament to her love of country. Ang aking may bahay and my Valentine, Lisa.
Oh, God.
So we have gathered questions for us to answer today. Sabi ko, ask us anything. So, are you ready? From Kopjel, how do you balance time with your wife and your being president, and do you still date? Well, mahirap talaga yung balancing dahil work takes up so much of our time. Hindi lang naman ako, pati si Lisa, marami talagang ginagawa. So, we try to find, 5 minutes here, 20 minutes there. We eat together maybe. Basta whatever the schedule allows, we take full advantage of it. Oh, ang kasunod na tanong, do you still date? I'll let you answer that. Why don't you answer that?
Yeah, we have date night every Wednesday. We choose a restaurant to eat in. If he's busy, then he cooks, right? At home. But mostly we eat out and we try to talk about funny things to lessen the stress.
From Chabilita, ano ang mga project ni FL Lisa ang favorite niyo PBBM? Napakadali niyan. Yung kanyang ginagawa, yung Love for All, na nagdadala sila ng bus na kung saan-saan at may laboratorio sa loob. Maybe you can best describe it. It's a very, very good project.
Every Tuesday we go to a different province and the mobile van is there and all the different agencies like DOH, TESDA, the different government agencies, but more important, the private sector. They go there 3 days before and they give medical services, which is part of their CSR. But really, galing nila. I mean, they really put a lot of their time and effort into helping senior citizens get medical services and all that. It's really nakakataba ng puso.
It's nice to see everybody working together.
Yeah, it's nice to
especially
see
for the
everybody
good
working together.
Essentially, they bring may bus na kumpleto ang equipment doon sa loob. At iniiwan nila na doon. Tapos magpapa-medical mission sila sa doon. Para i-introduce ang project. Tapos may iwan na doon ang lahat ng gamit. Tapos tuloy naman balik sa susunod.
Parang iba mobile clinic in that province that goes around.
Napakahalaga. Very important. From Clarion Yan, BBBM, what personality trait do you love most about the First Lady?
From GSAN 18, what's the best quality of PBBM?
Madali yung kay Lisa. She really takes care of us, the family. Ako, at yung tatlo naming anak. And hindi papayag si Lisa na may problema, na may aayusin niya kaagad. At you always know that she has your back. So, yeah, that.
Sweet.
Oh, well, now, your turn.
Your best quality, you're so... I always tell people, for someone so intelligent, you're so kind, Bong. So patient, so mabait, always sees the good qualities in people, not a mean soul in your body. And I know you love the country, and God, the things you put up with, I don't know how you do it. But idol. I'm so proud of you also.
Sweet.
Sip, sip. Sweet. From Jeshan 18, ano po ang love language ni PBBM at ni FL Lisa?
What is that?
No, love language.
No, I know, but what? I don't know if we can have.
I think laughter, right? I mean, we just...
I think so. I think it's just really that's a hard question.
I know.
We just try to, I suppose, to be with each other as much as possible. And as I said earlier, snatch what little time there is in both our busy schedules to spend time with one another. It's really time, because that's, of course, the most valuable thing.
I don't think we have any language. I think...
I don't think you can put it down to one thing. There's so many things that we do that...
Kasi my husband's deep. Parang, you know na that he loves you. Miyam. Okay, katat.
From Henry Totsi, what makes your relationship strong and healthy po? Para naman ma-apply ko sa magiging jowa ko. Ewan ko, one of the things really that keeps us going is a sense of humor. Dahil napakaseryoso ng trabaho namin, I was about to say we don't bring work home, but we do. Because
Sometimes.
we have to. In the end, we always find time to laugh about everything and try to see the lighter side of things. Otherwise, you'll go a little crazy. But I can make jokes with Lisa that perhaps would be inappropriate in any other setting.
But that's true. I think we try to laugh a lot.
Yeah,
right?
we do
Because
end up
it's so
laughing.
stressful outside.
Yeah.
So when you come home, you just try to make light of things. From Eunice, any advice to those in relationships today can be strong in today's generation? What advice? Don't let stress get to you.
I guess.
I guess it's good. Laugh whenever you can. Be grateful for what you have. And we're all blessed one way or another. Just be grateful. You'll never be perfect, but just be grateful.
I suppose it's just direct communication. Don't communicate through your phone. Talk to each other face to face. Don't bother with social media when it comes to relationships. Talk to each other face to face. Hold hands. Go have dinner. Walk down the beach. Do something, but don't do it digitally. From Lois Dela, how do you make up when you get into fights or argument? Oh, we never get into fights or any argument. I don't know what is. I don't understand the question. That never happens.
It's perfect. We never fight. Unheard of. Unheard of.
Confused ako dun sa question na hindi ko naintindihan. Sorry, hindi ko naintindihan. Sorry, Lois, hindi ko naintindihan.
Tell us the story of your first kiss. Wow. Wow, you're talking 35 years ago, right? Wow. Pretty much. Your first kiss.
New York.
Basta you kissed me first.
Pumayag ka naman.
Patay na patay sa akin. What's the most unforgettable adventure you have ever gone on together?
What we're doing now.
What we're doing now, yeah. Which will be over in 1,606 days. Thank you very much.
Yeah. No. I mean, this is the biggest thing that I've been involved in. Being president and having Lisa's first lady. In very many ways, it is an adventure. And it's something that
I love
very few
adventure.
people have the privilege of experiencing. And that is why it is also unforgettable.
And I'm proud of you.
Maraming salamat sa inyong mga katanungan. And I hope you enjoy your part in
First and last. First and last. darling.
Ang bagong Pilipino ay punong-puno ng pag-ibig. Ang bagong Pilipino ay may malalim na pagmamahal sa kanyang pamilya at lalo na sa kanyang sariling bayan. Mag-iingat po tayong lahat at mabuhay ang bagong Pilipino.